I just found a $4.8 billion Etsy product, and you're not going to believe it, but it's something that literally anyone can create in less than 30 minutes. Now, I'm not saying you're going to make $1 billion on Etsy, but in this video, I'm going to give you my 3-step checklist showing you exactly how to replicate this $4 billion Etsy product idea. Not only that, I'm going to show you how to automate the entire process with AI. Make sure you download my video checklist document below. And don't worry, it's completely free. Now hit that like button so I know you're actually paying attention. And let's get started with step number 1. Okay, so once you've downloaded my video checklist document below, next, let me break down what I'm going to show you in this tutorial. First, I'm going to show you proof of the $4.8 billion Etsy product that I found. Second, I'm going to show you the exact tool I used to find this product. Third, I'm going to show you how to recreate these products using my favorite automation apps and AI. Now that we have that covered, let me show you the $4 billion Etsy product that I just found. So here on my screen, you can see I'm inside the eRank Etsy Spy tool. This app lets you search for and find winning products on Etsy and shows you how much each product is making. Now, as I was searching, I saw that the keyword personalized gifts was the second most searched keyword on Etsy right now. And when I clicked on it and searched through some of the products, I found this personalized sweatshirt has currently made its seller over $700,000 in the last 2 years. I also found this completely different personalized product, which is a tumbler, that has also made over 6 figures for its Etsy seller. And this personalized doormat that has made over $100,000 for its seller. There are literally hundreds of sellers currently making 6 figures on Etsy, and like this sweatshirt seller, almost 7 figures with personalized products on Etsy. And personalization just means that customers can add their own custom text to the product before it's shipped to them. Custom text like their name or dates. So that got me really curious about just how much money this type of personalized product is making on Etsy every single year. So I asked ChatGPT to do an analysis for me, and that's where my mind was blown and I knew I had to share this with you. Because here you can see that ChatGPT's analysis estimates that personalized products on Etsy are estimated to make over $4.8 billion in 2025. Now, creating and selling personalized products used to be really hard and time-consuming because you had to create all of the individual customizations to your products yourself, and you had to do it all manually. This could literally take hours or days, especially once your products really started selling. But not anymore, because I found 2 apps, one being AI, that will literally do all of the customizations to your Etsy products for you. And it does it completely automatically. They will even create and ship your products to your customers for you. This allows your income to become almost completely passive, allowing you to make money literally while you sleep. So let's move on to step number 2, where I show you exactly how to capitalize on this super profitable Etsy trend and use AI to create personalized products for you. Okay, the next thing that you need to do is come over to the platform you see on my screen called Printify by clicking the link below or through my video checklist. Creating an account on Printify is free, by the way, so you don't have to worry about spending any money upfront to do this. Printify is a print-on-demand platform and is the first step to creating an automated income with Etsy. And why I love Printify for this strategy is because they have a catalog of over 900 products that you can customize with your own graphics and then sell in your own Etsy shop. And you can do this without having to spend any money on inventory upfront. Printify also integrates directly to your Etsy shop, so it will automatically create the products for you every time you get an order. And they will even do all of the shipping for you. Now, I'm going to go through the Printify product creation part of this video pretty quickly because I've already created multiple full tutorials showing you how to do this part. You can find those tutorials over on my channel. I'll also link one in the video checklist document if you need more help with this part. But essentially, once you create your Printify account, you want to click on the catalog button right here. And then pick a product that you want to customize. For this video, I'm going to show you how to replicate this personalized tumbler that has made its seller over $100,000 over on Etsy. But you can also do your own research using eRank or Allura or whichever Etsy spy tool you like best to find other types of personalized products that you want to create using Printify. Now, if you don't know what a personalized product looks like on Etsy, let me show you. If you look at our example Etsy listing, you can see that you can personalize this product with whichever name you like. And you do that by typing into this personalization box right here. That will let the Etsy seller know what name you want printed on your product. So I'm going to show you how to create a product like this by choosing this tumbler from the catalog right here. And I've already created a design using Canva that I'm going to upload right here. You can get the exact dimensions that you need to use for your design in Canva by looking right here in the Printify editor. And here you can see I created something similar to the six-figure tumbler with the name going up the side. Now, of course, you can use whichever font that you like, or make the design as detailed as you like. But what I really want to focus on in this video is showing you how you can use Printify to create an automated personalization brand on Etsy. I've also chosen the color variants that I want to be sold in my Etsy store for this product right here. And once you place your design exactly where you want it on your product, it's always a good idea to preview your product before you push it to your Etsy shop. You can preview your product by clicking right here. You can also see all of the mockups that Printify already creates for you. So once you're happy with the product design, you can save it by clicking right here. And then update the product details on this page here, like the title, description, and price. And here you'll see how much profit you'll make every time you sell one of your personalized tumblers. And again, I'm going through this part quickly because I've covered this before in the full tutorial linked down below. But this time, what I want you to pay attention to is this section right here. And this I've never covered in any of my other tutorials. So make sure you don't skip this part because this is what will allow you to automate the personalization of your Printify products. So if you look right here, you'll see this section that says personalization. This is a brand new feature within Printify that allows you to add personalization options to your Etsy products, like I showed you right here. So in this box, you want to enter a message for your customers so that they will know what to enter in this box. You can leave the standard message that Printify enters for you, but I like to make it a bit more specific so that my customers are not confused. For example, I'm changing the word text to name. And if you want to enter a character limit so that people don't try to enter 100 characters here, that's always a good idea. I'm giving a 15 character limit, for example. Once you've entered your personalization message, next I want you to look right here. Here you can see this message where Printify says, ready to elevate your personalization? Try Anywhere POD or Hello Custom. These are two external apps to Printify. And the reason why they suggest this is because Printify doesn't actually have the ability to automatically customize your product designs for you. And if you want to use just Printify to do this, you'd have to manually upload custom designs for every single order that you get from Etsy, which is really tedious and really time consuming. And this is also why this online income idea isn't saturated yet and is a really good opportunity right now. Because before, you had to spend hours every single day or hire a team to do all of the customization of your products for you. But if you use one of these apps, my favorite is Hello Custom, it will automatically personalize every single order for you. And it does it using its AI. Hello Custom makes creating and selling personalized items on Etsy almost completely passive, which was never possible before. So in the next step, I'm going to show you how to integrate this AI app into your Printify and Etsy accounts, so that you can create an automated, personalized brand on Etsy. But before I do that, the last step you need to do is click the Publish button here in Printify to publish your product to your Etsy shop. Once you've done that, let's move on to step number 3, where I show you how to automate the personalization part of this strategy with AI using Hello Custom. Okay, so you have your personalized product published to your Etsy shop. You can see our example product right here. Now you need to turn on the automation part so that you don't have to manually customize all of your orders. To do that, come over to the Hello Custom website by going to the link down below or through my video checklist document. Now, this app is not free, but you can easily pay for the cost of it with just a few Etsy sales. And it's 100% worth it in my opinion, because without Hello Custom, you can't automate this process and you'd be spending hours of your own time doing this manually. So create your Hello Custom account by clicking right here. And once inside your account, there's really only 3 things you need to do to set this whole thing up. First, you need to link your Printify and Etsy accounts by clicking these buttons right here. Then simply follow the prompts to link your accounts. If you need help with this, make sure you download my video checklist document that has more information. There's also video instructions on how to do this on the Hello Custom website. Once you've linked your accounts, the second thing you need to do is link your personalized products. To do that, click on the templates option from the left menu. Then what you need to do is upload the graphic that you use to create your product over in Printify. But this time it needs to be in the format of a PDF, not a PNG, which you can see right here is what's needed if you want to create custom text elements. You need to pick this option if you want 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 to be able to personalize your products for you. If you use Canva to create your design, you can come over to your design template and click the download button right here. Then choose PDF as the file type. Next, come back to 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 and click the Select PDF button here under the PDF option. Then 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 will use AI to analyze your design for custom elements. And when it's done, it will appear here in the editor, similar to what Printify looks like. Now, the last step you need to do is tell 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 which elements are the custom elements. For this example, it's simple to understand because I only have one word. But if you have a more complicated design, something like this, for example, the AI won't know which elements you want it to customize unless you tag them with the correct tags. So to do that, select the text you want to be customized, and then tag it with the correct label here on the left. I'm selecting name because that's what fits my design. Next, you need to remove the background so that it's transparent. Otherwise, it will print this white background on all of your products. To do that, click on the background option from the left menu right here. Then select the transparent option to remove the background, like this. The last thing that you need to do is link this design with your products over in Printify so that 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 knows which product you want it to customize. To do that, click on the product variants button right here. Then select your personalized product from the list. That will bring up your Printify product list. Then select your personalized product from the Printify list. Next, make sure all of the product variants are selected. Then click the Update button. Now, all you have to do is click the Publish As button and select Active. Then your customization will now be live. Now, one thing that I want to suggest you do is to test the template once it's published to make sure it's personalizing your design correctly. To do that, click on the 3 dots in the corner of the template you just created. Then click on Test Template. Then type in a personalization. Next, you should see that 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 will automatically customize your design perfectly for you. Now, how this works is every time you get an order through your Etsy shop, the order flows through to Printify. Then 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 receives the order and product information from Printify, and then automatically personalizes that product design for you. It then sends the customized design back to Printify, where all you have to do is approve the order. And this all happens behind the scenes, completely automated for you so that you don't have to spend hours creating every single personalized design yourself. If you want to learn more about how 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 works and the nitty-gritty details behind how it integrates with Printify, you can learn all of that through their YouTube channel, which I've linked in the video checklist. Now, again, I know I went through this pretty quickly, but really I just wanted to show you the new opportunity that's out there by selling personalized products with Printify on Etsy, and just how simple it is to get started using AI tools like 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏. And of course, this is not a get-rich-quick side hustle, and to be honest, those don't really exist. But if you're actually committed to making money online, this is one beginner-friendly way that you can get started. And remember, if you want to learn more about making money online, make sure you check out my other full tutorials over on my channel. And if you have a specific question, let me know down in the comments.